All right, in this video, I'm just going to show you real quick how to find vacant properties and just explain a little bit more about the vacant little filter drop-down box. So it'll be a quick video just about vacant properties. Now, what's cool about batch leads is they are connected directly with the United States Postal Service servers. So every time you update properties in here, every month it will scrub your database and with the USPS servers, and it will tell you which properties you have that are vacant. So always update vacants. So it's really cool. And so I believe from what I remember when I talked to them, they said it happens between the 1st through the 5th of the beginning of the month, of every month. The 1st through the 5th is when the new scrub happens. So take note of that. So it's very easy, and I'm sure you've already figured it out. You just go to filters. We got a cool little drop-down box that says filters, property vacant, yes or no. We can hit yes, and we will see all of the vacant properties. So we can see I have 141 right now. Or I can see, hey, what are the newly vacant from the last update? So I can just click newly vacant. And we can see that I got 7 that were newly updated, that were just came on that were vacant. So obviously if I wanted to strictly concentrate, like market to vacants very quickly, I can do so by just hitting, hey, show me what's newly vacant. And what's also cool is you can really, like I suggest automating this, especially if you're really targeting vacants every single month. So let's say you have large amounts of data and you're always going to target these vacants. Like I said, because it can integrate with Zapier, let's say you use Print Genie for your automated printing or texting, right? And because I don't know if you use Print Genie, check out our YouTube channel. There's going to be a lot of awesome videos, but Print Genie is a print shop that does where you can create campaigns. So I can create several postcards that send out, whether it's just one or several, even a text. So I can have batch leads zapped to this print shop. So every time a property becomes vacant, batch leads zaps over that property as long as it's skip traced, or we can have it skip traced and sent over. But again, we just need the address to obviously mail it. So whether it's skip traced or not, it will zap over that new vacant property into Print Genie, and it'll go into a vacant campaign, and then boom, launch the postcard to that property. So you're most likely, because it's being automated, you're going to be like the first postcard that hits that property or that homeowner. And again, if you use like Drop Cowboy for ringless voicemail, you can integrate this with Drop Cowboy. So let's say every time a property hits vacant, boom, it can skip trace or zap it over, go into a campaign and Drop Cowboy, and then it shoots off a ringless voicemail to that homeowner. So if you're really going to be concentrating on vacants, I highly recommend automating it to RVMs, mailer to your print shop with Print Genie. Or again, if you have a VA that where their goal is at the beginning of the month, pull the new vacants and then push it over to, of course, your texting platform, whether you're using batch leads, Sherpa, or launch control. And again, as well, you can also, don't forget to use the calendar and create tasks. So then the 1st through the 5th of the month, make it a monthly reoccurring task that reminds you to come in here and push the vacants over into a texting campaign. So those are the 2 ways you would do it. And of course, you can also list stack. So I can put, vacants and that are also in foreclosure or absent, obviously not absentee because it's vacant, or it has a lien on it. And let's just check it out. Let's say liens, vacant. Let's see if I have any vacant properties that have a lien on it. And there we go. I got 39. So of course that would be a hot list to target because there's 2 motivations there. So hopefully this helped you out, kind of give you some good insight on vacants and how to really automate your vacant list as well too. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you got any value or you learned something new, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that like button. And then also there should be a subscribe button that pops up right here. You'll definitely want to hit that button too, because every single week we're always releasing new educational content, tutorials, up-to-date stuff to teach you more about real estate investing strategies, marketing, tech tools, softwares, integrations, and all that great stuff to help you scale your business. And then also there should be a couple more videos right here that you should definitely watch. I mean, you're already here, you might as well watch them. If you're in a playlist of ours, playlist right there, next video right there, definitely should check out more content that we have. And if you want to, do a quick shout out or ask us a question, hit it in the comment section. We're always responding and replying to everybody. So see you in the next video.